Welcome back to Rise and Thrive. Today, we're focusing on a 15-minute yoga routine designed specifically for stress relief. So, roll out your mat, find a comfortable spot, and let's get started. Yoga is an excellent way to relieve stress and tension in both your body and mind. This 15-minute routine is perfect for beginners and can be done anytime you need a quick reset. Child's Pose. Let's begin in Child's Pose, or Balasana. Kneel on your mat, bring your big toes together, and sit back on your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Take a few deep breaths here, allowing your body to relax and release any tension. Cat-cow pose. Next, come onto your hands and knees for cat-cow pose. On an inhale, arch your back and lift your head and tailbone. This is cow pose. On an exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin to your chest. This is cat pose. Continue flowing between these two poses, matching your breath with each movement. This helps to release tension in your spine and shoulders. Downward facing dog pose. From here, tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back into downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide and press your heels towards the mat. Take a few breaths here, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and the length in your spine. Standing forward. Bend pose. Slowly walk your feet to your hands and come into a standing forward bend, or Uttanasana. Let your head hang heavy and grab opposite elbows if that feels good. This pose is great for calming the mind and relieving tension in the back of your body. Warrior Two. Pose. Stand up slowly and step your right foot back into Warrior Two. Bend your front knee and extend your arms out to the sides, looking over your front hand. Hold this pose for a few breaths, feeling strong and grounded. Then switch sides. Seated forward bend pose. Come to a seated position with your legs extended in front of you for seated forward bend, or Paschimottanasana. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and exhale to fold forward over your legs. Reach for your feet, ankles, or shins, and let your head relax. This pose helps to calm the mind and stretch the back of your body. Legs up the wall pose. Finally, let's end with legs up the wall pose, or Viparita Karani. Sit close to a wall and swing your legs up, lying down on your back. Relax your arms by your sides and close your eyes. This pose is incredibly restorative and helps to reduce stress and anxiety. Stay here for as long as you like, letting your body and mind fully relax. When you're ready, gently come back to a seated position. I hope you feel more relaxed and centered after this practice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness routines and tips. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.